Welcome to my second cooking show. So today we're going to be cooking creamy mushroom pasta with the Thermomix. This machine here behind me is a Thermomix. So we're going to need 100 grams of spaghetti, 1 clove of peeled garlic, 30 grams of olive oil, 100 grams of mushroom chopped, 100 grams of thickened cream, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 500 grams of water. So, step 1, you have to put the water in the bowl. So, we have 500 grams of water. So you press star. And then we have to pour all the water in here until it's 500 grams. That's a bit too much. This is a bit too much water, but never mind. So we have to put in the salt. Where did my salt go? Where did my salt go? Aha! Right. So this is what I'm going to use into the water. Alright. Now we have to do it 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 100 degrees, and speed 1. What? Oh. What have I done? I have not put the lid on. Can you imagine that? If you did not put the lid on. So speed 1. We have to wait 10 minutes. So I'll see you after 10 minutes. Ooh. I just thought I could read a thing with you. Okay. 27 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. So the second step is to add spaghetti through this hole over here. You have to cook according to the time recommended on the packet, which is 3 minutes. You have to put 100 degrees, reverse speed 1 until al dente. Okay, so the hot. Alright. You have to put this like this, press this, put this at 100, wait, minutes is 3. Okay, 3 minutes, and this, speed 1. And we shall enjoy the roundabout, so called. Okay, so we'll wait for 3 minutes. And I shall continue to read my book. Right, where was I? Ah, yes, over here. Alright, and then 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, I have to put it another minute as it took time for it to go in, for the pasta to go in. Another minute. So once the cooking time is completed, you have to be careful before removing the lid. You only have to remove it from here. Sorry, because I have a hiccup or two. See what I mean? So, well, to reduce any potential steam burns, you have to allow a few seconds for it to kind of cool down. So, okay. Okay, and I did it without burning myself. Oh, these noodles. These noodles, they're heavy, alright? So now, I have to pour them all into this white bowl here. Now that I've finished putting it in here, and all the water drained out, I have to put them in this little container over here. There we go. Keep all the spaghetti warm. If it falls out, you have to watch out because it could be hot. So just push it in. And then I have to cover it. Right. So we have to do step 5, which is we have to clean the bowl. We did that already. You have to add garlic to the mixing bowl and chop 5 seconds, speed 5. Right. So you have to put this inside here, I guess. So you have to do 5 seconds. Wait, 5. All chopped up. So now, step 6. Add olive oil to the mixing bowl and state garlic 3 minutes, 100 degrees, speed 1. So we need 30 grams of olive oil. There we go. That's about 30 grams. Oops, it's not the color. There we are. Right. 3 minutes, 100 degrees, and speed 1. Oh. Once again, I forget to put the lid on. So you shouldn't make those mistakes. But luckily, the machine is smart enough to tell you. Alright, speed 1. So just have to wait for 3 minutes. I'll continue reading my book. Right. So, step 7. Once again, I'm sorry about my hiccup. So step 7, we have to add mushrooms to the mixing bowl and the 2 tablespoons of the water. The garlic, not the garlic, the mushrooms and the water and alright. Right, so when you see the picture like this, it is speed spatula. Right, so now I have to wait for 10 minutes. 1, 0. Right, so step 8. Remove this. Water. we have to add cream. So our 100 grams of cream. Right, so now we need some mustard. Smells quite nice, eh, the mustard. Wish you could smell it. After that, we need some salt and pepper. Pinch of salt should do. And some pepper. Alright. 2 minutes, 90 degrees. 90 degrees. And speed 1. Oops. There we go. Alright. Put this onto the pasta. Alright. I wish you guys could smell this thing. It smells so lovely that I think my mouth is gonna water or split open. Now I have to mix it. It's quite hard to mix it. It's the hard part. So we have to pour some cheese over the things over here too. Right, that should be enough. And some parsley on top. Right. Right. Look at this. That tastes lovely. Again, I'm gonna say this to you. If I can cook, that means you can cook. Bye-bye. And enjoy your meal.